Hi everyone, and welcome to the newest episode of Sherpa Shorts. As always, I'm your Sherpa Guide Spencer, and today we're going to be talking about the manufacturing module. So the manufacturing module within the Sherpa ERP system consists of two major components: bulk products and product recipes. The bulk products section is where you'll be able to control the availability of your raw materials and the weights associated with them. This is also where you'll be able to apply a lot tracking number to those raw materials. Then when you get into the product recipe section, when you draw down your raw materials, those lot tracking numbers will be attached to those products. And once you execute the recipe for a finished inventory, you'll have a new lot tracking number for that inventory. Also, in the product recipe section, you'll be able to draw down any packaging materials you need to create your finished inventory. As well, you can create as many steps as you need in your manufacturing process. However many you need to complete the product is as many as you can add. Hey guys, this has just been a quick episode. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at any time. And remember to follow us on social media: Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. And as always, we have a 5-minute investment form to see if you're ready for Sherpa ERP. And I've included the link to this video. Until then, I'll see you next time.